Today we'll be looking at how to fill Google Forms. So you must be attending lots of webinars or online classes. So after the class or webinar, they must be asking you uh, to fill a feedback form, right? So today I'll be looking into that, how to fill feedback forms in Google Forms. Okay, so for selecting that, you must be having a link to that. Okay, so if you go for any seminars or
Today
webinars or any classes,
we'll
you
be
must
looking
be
at how to
taken to
fill
the feedback section,
Google
right? So
Forms.
there must
So
be
you
a
must be
attending lots
link
of
given
webinars
here.
or
You
online
can see
classes.
in the screen
So
there's a link given
after
here
the
to
class or
submit
webinar,
the
they must be
feedback,
asking
right?
you. So what we have to do is, first we have to
fill a
click
feedback
on that
form,
right
link.
so
So
another
today
tab will be
I'll be
opening
looking
here, and it will
into
be
that
going
how
into
to
this
fill
feedback forms in
feedback
Google
form.
Forms.
Okay,
Okay,
so here
so
I'll be
they are asking
for
different things,
selecting
right?
that
So
you have to fill it
must be having a
through
link to that.
it,
Okay,
and
so
finally after filling
if
you
you go
can
for any
submit here. Okay,
seminars or
so
webinars or any classes,
now
you must
they are
be
asking first your
taken
email
to the
ID. So
feedback
as you
section,
can
right?
see
So
in the
there
starting
must be
the
a
information about
what
link
this
given
form
here.
is
You can
about
see
is
in
given
the screen
here. Okay,
there's a link
so
given
what is the
here
date
to
of the
submit
program
the
or what is
feedback,
there,
right? So
and
what we have to do is
you
first
can
we
also
have to
see
click
that
on
there
that
is
link. So
an asterisk mark.
another
Okay, so they have
tab
given
will be
that
opening
wherever
here, and it will be going
there is
into
an
this
asterisk mark, you have to fill that
feedback form. Okay, so
compulsorily.
here
So I'll be
if you
they are
fill
asking
if you
different
don't
things,
fill
right?
this
So you have to fill it
through it,
area
and
where they
finally after
have given
filling
this
you
asterisk
can
mark. The form will
submit
not
here.
you will not
Okay,
be able to
so
submit the form.
now
Okay,
they
so
are asking
here
first
they are
your
asking
email ID. So
as you can see in the
what you
starting,
can say,
the information
the
about
email
what
ID. Okay,
this form is about is given here. Okay, so what is the date of the program or what is there, and you can also see that there is an asterisk mark. Okay, so they have given that
so I
wherever
have filled
they
the
have there is an
email ID
asterisk
over
mark,
here.
you have
Then
to fill
your
that
name you have to write your
compulsorily.
name
So
over here.
if you don't fill this area where
So
they
I have
have
filled the
given this
name,
asterisk mark,
and
the
they are
form will
asking
not
like
be
you
they have
will
given
not
the
be able
asterisk
to
mark. So
submit
these
the
are all
form.
compulsory.
Okay,
Okay,
so
here
now
they are
they are
asking
asking
the
institution,
what you can say, the email ID. Okay, so I have filled the email ID over here. Then you have name, you have to write your name over here. So I have filled the name, and they are asking like they have given the asterisk mark. So these are all compulsory. Okay, so now they are asking me institution. So I have given my details regarding my institution and organization. They are asking the department. Okay, so I have given the department also. So they are asking how did you find the content of this session. So I'm giving that's very good. Okay, so asking what aspects of the session were most useful or valuable, and how will you implement them in your classroom, right? So uh, you have to write what you find this. Okay, so I have given my details regarding my institution and organization. They are asking the department. Okay, so I have given the department also. So they are asking how did you find the content of this session. So I'm giving that's very good. Okay, so asking what aspects of the session were most useful or valuable, and how will you implement them in your classroom, right? So uh, you have to write what you find this. Okay, okay, so now they are asking how do you find the about the subject knowledge. Okay, so and the application of updated information, ability to retain the attention of the participants, the presentation quality, the communication skills. So these are all asterisk mark, that is you have to fill in this section. You can't skip over to the next section. Okay, so how was this before the session? Okay, so how is the knowledge before the session and how is it now? Okay, so after filling all the form, okay, what you have to do is you have to press the submit button. Okay, now they are asking
when you
how
have
do you
submit
find
button,
let's
the-
go into the next section,
about
that
the
is
subject knowledge.
okay, your feedback
So,
has been
and the
registered. Okay,
application
so
of
now
updated
we can
information,
assure that
ability to
our
retain
feedback
the
has been registered and it
attention of
has
the
been submitted.
participants, the
Okay, so
presentation quality,
this is how
the
you
communication
fill
skills. So,
these
a
are all
feedback form
asterisk
in
mark, that is you
using
have
Google
to
Forms.
fill in this
Okay.
section.
you.
You can't skip over to the next section. Okay, so how was this before the session? Okay, so how is the knowledge before the session and how is it now? Okay, so after filling all the form, okay, what you have to do is you have to press the submit button. Okay, so when you have submit button, that's going to the next session, that is your feedback has been registered. Okay, so now we can assure that our feedback has been registered and it has been submitted. Okay, so this is how you fill a feedback form in using Google Forms. Okay, thank you.